Y'all know what time it is?
No, anybody got a what?
What's up? Hey, wait, hold on.
No, y'all know what we're doing right now. We got cars loaded up, everything.
Talking?
What's going on here?
Guys.
Making plans, making moves.
No, guys, it's the boys' trip.
Oh,
The
All right, in all seriousness, yes, it is the boys' trip. It's what I've been talking about for the last fucking 6 months on this entire channel because it's the only time I get good content. Right now, I'm gonna introduce you to everybody. Some of these are people you've seen, there's a couple new faces. So, let's start right here. My name, Tristan Dotson.
you know, Dalton Wages.
Dalton Wages.
Kane Austin.
Kane Austin.
Jaden Dacus.
Jaden Dacus.
Yeah, Tyson, aka Big Speaker.
He's not Big Speaker.
Logan Murdoch.
Hey, there we go.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Look, we have been preparing for this all summer, and we are really freaking excited for it. So, we're about to hit the road, and we're gonna get on down to Denison. It's gonna be an amazing time. We hope you like it. We hope you enjoy. All right, boys, let's roll out. Yes, sir!
Now I mean you. Crank that soul. Now I mean you. Crank that soul. Now I mean you. Crank that.
All right, so Zach's about to show up. We're gonna give him a nice welcoming gift. So, oh shit, I think he's pulling up. All right.
Look who's pulling up now. Yes, sir. About time he showed up.
Get that door, Logan. Not yet. That's a pretty nice truck. No. Big Zach. I'm in Zach. That shit hurt? Not really. It's probably the scary factor. Holy. I think alright.
Yeah. An official rule.
Hell no. Don't worry. First though.
All right.
There's a winner.
That's my partner. Oh, that's gonna be my partner.
Damn, hey, y'all gotta hit the board.
Get their camera shot.
If we could do this during the day sometime, I could really get some good footage of it.
Well, if y'all didn't sleep till 4 o'clock,
I'm sorry we got hammered at 5 in the morning.
that's also not my fault.
Hit it back! Oh my goodness. Hold on. It's 4:48. Yeah. It's almost daylight out here. For the boys? For the boys?
Dude, Dalton said I'm dying.
Hang on, let me
Get the bag. Oh, we got him earlier with the shirt.
Where your hand placement is, guy. Because I see me have my
Use
finger
your
like
fat
this.
mouth. Use your fat mouth and go.
I can't do anything.
Let's see it. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. How do you feel right now?
certified killers right here.
And we were
Zach thinks he's sneaking up there like a tiger.
I promise to God, you do not want to do it.
I swear, you was too close.
I can promise you, you're gonna get your ass beat.
You was too close to me.
I swear to God.
I swear to God, Zach, you will die.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Don't do it, though. Don't do it.
This is Rebar! It's not worth it.
I can promise you this.
Hell yeah! Come out. It's out of it.
It's your boy Jalen. Go subscribe to my YouTube, Jalen Dakis, Instagram, Dakis11. Yes, sir.
Hey, no, somebody get this on camera. I go outside, somebody want to throw hands.
Hey, I'll do that shit right now.
For the YouTube,
For the channel, baby. Slap box. Hell no, I'm just kidding, dude. I'm gonna lose that shit. Jay, what's the word? Got his ass. I ain't gonna get that look. Got his ass. Yeah.
Can you see Zach's?
Yo, it's DWH coming at you live. We're over here in Denison, Texas. Logan, where you at? I'm gonna tell you right now, second night here. We ain't got no fish yet, but we're gonna be all right. We're gonna go find out what we need to do. Tristan, what do you think? What do you think?
We're gonna get on it, baby. We're gonna get on it. It's too early.
Yes, sir!
Tomorrow, we got a paintball tournament coming up. It's gonna be fiery.
Wait, that's tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'm about to get busted up with some paintballs and we'll go from there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank y'all for tuning in to the fine channel of Tristan Dotson himself.
That's right.
This man is this is the man behind the camera, the man who does the editing, the man who does everything on this channel. What you gotta say?
Hey, we're having a good night. We're having a good night.
Having a good night. Hey, don't you shoot me while I'm drunk. Shoot me when I'm
feel it.
Shoot me when I'm sober, dude.
Oh, good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today, we got some big plans, all right? We're still out here on Lake Texoma. Today, we're renting a boat. We're going out, we're fishing for ourselves. We do plan on getting a guide tomorrow, but today, we're doing it on our own. So, it's gonna be a good day. We're about to go back in. We're about to rig up, go grab some bait, grab some snacks, drinks, all that good stuff, and we're gonna head out to the water. Currently, the time is 9:14 a.m. I don't know if y'all be able to see that. 9:14 a.m. and we're about to get out there. So, let's get to it.
Let's start recording earlier.
Yeah. Boys, we got a boat rental. Let me hear you say hell yeah! Hell yeah! All right, let's go.
You don't have to take on jump first. I'm gonna make this boat rock.
You're big.
Exactly, I'm leaning.
No, you go first and I'll jump after you.
Alright, man.
Let's get it. Let's get it, D-Wage.
Get it, dude.
Damn. We 30 pounds lighter.
Let's get it, Logan. Cannonball.
Yes, sir.
Holy.
All 400 pounds of Dalton right now is holding our boat anchored against the beach over there. But we just pulled up on this random island, so we're gonna go explore. We've been fishing all day. We haven't caught shit. We're throwing every single bait at them. We ain't caught shit. So
Can't go this way.
why? Yeah, we're not going there.
Ain't scared? Hey, poke life, baby.
Oh, die.
Oh, we can walk down to that place. You don't want to walk through there? Y'all going in there?
Let's go.
Let's go in there.
We need hut juniors, dude.
You got some little action over there?
Little bit. Little some of that.
Boy, but this is mosquito fucking heaven.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
People get less miles here and
Can't be messing up the sneakers. Let's keep exploring. Little doodad.
What?
John B. that?
Not anymore.
John D. Rutledge? That was probably a good party.
We could have camped here, honestly.
We can start staying for free here.
For real. All we need is a boat.
Tiki torches. We can set up fishing poles with bells. Hammocks. Dude.
Bro,
Money.
we could be chilling.
They gotta take some wild hogs coming through this beach.
There's like a small group of them that just live here.
I'd be like, how did y'all even get here? This is like Minecraft, like, I don't know.
JR's been making God jokes this entire trip.
He's done secured his way into hell.
When he gets struck by lightning, he gonna know why.
When God smites his ass.
JR has been using God as an excuse to get some sushi.
Look at that. Let's go. You can end the video right there.
He almost fell.
I'm not gonna talk about that.
Bro, it's a rat. No, Remy. It's Remy, dude.
What the hell? Right here in the black plague.
Don't touch that bitch, motherfucker.
That's how they got diseases to America.
That's how crime started.
Wait, watch out.
How the fuck did
How did it even get here?
that dude swam? That's what That's what happens when you fuck up the recipe. There ain't shit on this island but one dead rat.
Would y'all eat it if you had to?
Update to the last story. I found some people who were stranded on the island, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them up to shore and get them checked out. So there's about 5 or 6 of them walking up right now. We're gonna see if they're all right when they get up to the boat. All right, y'all. So we just got back from a day on the water, a day where we rented the boat, and Tristan here was our captain. You know, he put us on some excellent fishing spots. How many bites do we have throughout the day?
1, 2, 0.
0 bites on the day. We did have fun though. We explored some islands, some cool stuff. However, on the way home, we stopped to eat dinner. And me and JR, back here, both called for a shower. We didn't know how that was going to work, but we both called it. And Kane, Tristan, and Logan left Academy before we did afterwards. And Kane ran and got in the shower. So, he is about to get his consequences for breaking the rules.
Unfortunate news for Kane.
And we'll keep y'all updated on how that goes. We're going to get back in there before he gets out of the shower, so yeah. Do you press both these side buttons?
No. It's gonna be like a little thing you get with your thumb. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, you broke the rules.
About to beat y'all.
Whoa.
Damn.